In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw from the Solflare wallet to your bank account. To start, launch your Solflare wallet. On the home page, you will see your wallet balance at the top, along with options like receive, buy, swap, stake, and send. If you tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner, you will notice that there are no options available to directly withdraw funds from Solflare to your bank account. In this case, the best solution is to transfer your assets such as Solana from your Solflare wallet to a crypto exchange that allows bank account withdrawals like Binance. To do this, tap on Send button in the Solflare app, then paste your Binance deposit address on the next screen. After that, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once your asset arrives in your Binance account, you can link your bank account, sell your crypto, and withdraw the money directly to your bank. As of now, this is the only effective workaround to withdraw assets from Solflare to a bank account. That's how you can move funds from Solflare to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.